Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to recover Play Store account password on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, if you have forgotten your password, it is important to regain access to your account to prevent unauthorized access by others. Recovering your password helps maintain the security of your account and personal information. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first please open Google Play Store application on your device. Okay, after that click profile icon at the top. Then tap on Manage your Google account here. Okay, so now, please swipe to the security option. And then please scroll down. So select password option. Well, and on this page, you can click Forget Password. So you can create a new password for your Google Play Store account. Then confirm the new password here. After that, click Change Password. And your Play Store account password is successfully recovered. Well, that's the tutorial on how to recover Play Store account password on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.